Alright, we're back. So, I'm trying to think of some accessories that we have not covered. Clem's Antique Car Parts. Another swipe at the communists. That's the only place they can get parts for their numerous cars right there. By the way, a lot of these models are actually pretty tough to find. I mean, like, this one was actually made to my order by some guy in Ukraine, which I think was pretty cool. And that same guy also made this one. So, and like that's also handmade to order in Ukraine. That is handmade to order in Ukraine. So, for that matter, so is that. So, a lot of nice, so a lot of nice stuff comes out of there. I also got a lot of handmades from Poland. I'm just trying to give you a little nicer view of the Lionelville Talbot motors. And again, if you know what a Talbot is, then congratulations, give yourself a pat on the back. Now, what we're going to do here is just kind of take you around the layout. By the way, a lot of these cars were made for part works that consisted of movie cars, or alternately our movie cars that were made by a company called Greenlight. Like if you recognize, say, I don't know, this here, that's from one of the Fast and Furious movies. This is from one of the James Bond films. Also, I big into taxi cab part works. There are two right there. Another James Bond, believe it or not. So's that. The AMC Matador. Lionel milk car. Oh man, I love this layout. I really do. The Chicago police car is from the Blues Brothers. If you haven't seen that movie, see it. You will thank me. I got a Land Rover Tangy from Northern Ireland. As you can see, the Jack's Firearms and Ammunition parking lot. Everyone's loading up their guns. I also got two Remington commemorative trucks there. This is a cattle corral and a cattle car. And the cattle car is actually kind of rare because it has this marking which says armor. Well, that little armor marking that I'm zooming in on right now is actually, most of the decals fell off and they only produced it for a very short time.